what's an important year for Alcoa Wheels this year is our 75th anniversary. Back in 1948 here in Cleveland, we forged the first aluminum truck wheel. The manufacturing footprint has really grown in the last 25 years. We're now by far the largest aluminum wheel supplier in the world. The wheels that we make today are about 40% lighter than the wheels that we were making 20 years ago. In about 2013, we rolled out the MagnaForce alloy. It's stronger than the standard aluminum forging alloy. We've always viewed ourselves as the innovation leader in the heavy truck aluminum wheel market. The way we deliver that is we try and stay in very close contact with our fleet customers, with our OEM customers. What can we offer you that will make your life easier, make your trucks more efficient? And then we come back to our R&D team and we say, okay, here's what the fleets need. Let's go find a way that we can solve that problem. The next 20 years in the trucking industry, what we see is that aerodynamics will become an increasingly important. So we've come up with a suite of aerodynamic products that link seamlessly with our wheel. Very easy for fleets to install, high reliability, and they bring a fuel economy benefit. In the commercial vehicle industry, the common theme is that trucks are getting heavier. With the Alcoa wheels, we can reduce the weight of the truck and allow it to carry more freight. And we can also make a contribution to improving the fuel economy. So we've got some products that are coming out over the next 5 years that we think are really going to revolutionize the industry. One of the great strengths that we have here in Alcoa Wheels is our workforce. When we have a particular issue that we need to solve, we get input from Europe, from Asia, from Mexico, create a diverse team with different backgrounds. That'll always get you to the best solution. Very proud over the years what these teams have accomplished. A great manufacturing footprint, fantastic team all around the world. I think we've got the best people in the industry. So this business is just such a gem.